Once again to iTech, and today's video is going to be on how you can use this AI tool, which is Pictory, to make $100 a day. So to start with, what is Pictory? So Pictory is an online video editing tool which allows you to create high quality video easily and quickly. So creating video from this platform is very easy. You don't have to stress. There is no stress free, and you're able to get a high and quality video through this AI tool. Okay, so this is the interface. Okay, this is their website here. So as you can see, automatically create short, highly shareable branded video from your long form content. So it's very easy. So I will be taking you through, I will be reviewing this website, which is the Pictory, so that you're able to know how to go about it in order to create a video as a content creator or as an affiliate. Okay, this is being used by content creators. As a content creator, you can use this to create your videos in collaboration with ChatGPT, or if you are affiliate marketer, you can also use this platform. So I'm going to walk you through Pictory review. Okay, so you can try Pictory for free by using the links in the description. So just check the description of this video, and then it will get you to this part so that you're able to just sign up and you'll start using this platform for free. So I have already signed up here, so I'll log into my account and log in. This is what you are going to see. This is the interface of it, and then we have Pictory. It's a welcome message. So which content would you like to repurpose into what video? So we have so many content here that you can use. I have scripts to video. So if you have a script, then you want to change this script to video, then you have article to what video. This here you have to paste URL. So in case you see a particular article that you want to script into video, you can just copy the URL of that article and then you paste it here. Then you have edit video using text. Okay, you can also use this part of the platform. And then you have visual to video. So this is, you can also drag and drop the file here. Okay, so today I'm going to use this one, which is script to video. We are going to use our script to create a nice video. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's start. So first of all, you just have to click here to proceed. You click on proceed, and then it will come to this stage. So first of all, you need to have your script somewhere else. Okay, so I have my script. So when you get here, you just paste your script here. So as you can see, this is the script that I have here. Okay, so what you have to do is that you just have to edit it. You just have to separate the script. So you just place it here, you click here, enter, and then you come to this side, you click enter. Okay, so you just have to separate the script to make it look nice. So you just have to take your time and then edit it well. So you just come here and you click here. Okay, so I'm taking you through step by step. So as you can see, just come here and then you click on enter, and then so you continue to edit it. You just have to edit it to separate the script by script. You just have to edit it well, and then after that, so as you can see, you go down and then you edit the script to separate it so that it will look very nice. Okay, so we scroll down. So as you can see, this is the end of it, and so you can go over to the script and check. So this is it. So after you have edited nicely, all what you have to do is that you just come to proceed here. Okay, so you click on proceed. See, this is what you are going to see. Template library. You are going to see a whole lot of videos template here. So you make your choice. You just go through to select which template you want to do. Okay, which template that you want, then you select. So for the purpose of this video, I will just go in for this one. Okay, this one. So you just click here to select. So you select this template and then you choose the ratio. So I'll go by 16:9. So you click here and then it will be generating your template for you. Okay, so you just wait, just have to take a little time for it to complete. So as you can see, please wait whilst the video storyboard is being created. So it is creating the storyboard. It will create within a short possible time and you can proceed. You can see the video is now ready. So when you check this part, this is the scenes here. Okay, so this is scene 1, we have scene 2, they have scene 3, scene 4. So we have a lot of scenes here, so you can check any of the screen scenes to check if it matches the template here. Okay, so you just scroll down to check all the screens here. So when you hit here, it will take you to the screen, the template. Okay, yes, this is the template for this scene. So you just have to go through all the scenes and check. So as you can see, we have it here and this is the template here. Okay, so each scene has its own template, which makes the video very nice. Okay, so as you can see, we have 16 scenes. So after you have done with all the template and you have checked that all these templates are very good, then you just have to come to this part, which is the audio part of it, which we are going to add audio voice to this one. So we have background music, so there will be a music under your video. Then we have the voice over, so we are going to add voice over to this. This is a robot who is going to read. So we have so many voiceovers that you can choose from. Okay, so as you can see here, we have English and US. So we have male and female, so I'll be using this voiceover. Okay, so you just check that and then you click on apply to apply this voiceover to this video. So as you can see, this voiceover is what applied, and then you just have to preview to see how it is. So you just play.
Tutors have historically only been able to work around school hours and have had to source their own students.
See, this is the AI voice that I've added to this one. So if you don't want to use AI voice, you can also generate your own voice by clicking here and then you record your voice. Okay, so you can also record your voice by reading the text. So as you move on, then you will be reading to record your voice. So when everything is done for you, you just have to come to this part here. You see download, so you click on download and then you see to video. So click on download to video to download the video. So this thing will be going for 100%, and after that your video is now set to be uploaded to any of the place that you want it. So this is how you can make money with this platform. I hope this video will help you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. See you. Bye bye.